Are you tired of your makeup brushes shedding all over your face, or worse, getting completely ruined and dirty inside your travel bag? Finding the perfect multi-purpose brush that smoothly blends makeup without accentuating fine lines can feel like a total nightmare. Enter the Laura Geller New York Retractable Angled Kabuki Brush 02. Today, we are doing a deep dive into this viral beauty tool to see if it is truly worth your money or if it is just another overhyped product. If you want to save space in your makeup bag and get a flawless finish every single day, stick around because we are breaking down everything you need to know. First, let's talk about the build quality because first impressions matter. This professional-grade tool features an elegant, sleek black aluminum handle that feels premium, weighty, and durable in your hand. But the real star of the show here is the bristle quality. It is packed with a high bristle count, made of 100% synthetic Taklon fibers. This means it is entirely vegan and 100% cruelty-free. Synthetic bristles are a massive plus for your skin health because they do not absorb excess oils, sebum, or leftover makeup from your face. This makes them significantly less prone to trapping bacteria compared to traditional natural hairbrushes. Plus, the unique angled shape is specifically engineered by experts to hug the natural contours, jawlines, and curves of your face flawlessly. Now, what makes this brush a total game changer and why it is blowing up on TikTok and Amazon is its clever retractable design. It basically acts like 3 or 4 expensive brushes built into one single tool. It all comes down to how you adjust the built-in metal sleeve. When you slide the protective casing all the way down, the bristles flare out naturally. This is absolutely ideal for a light airbrushed sweep of loose setting powders, bronzers, or highlighters. Now, if you slide the sleeve halfway up, it tightens and densifies the bristles. This gives you precise control to sculpt your cheekbones or add a perfect controlled pop of blush. But wait, what if you need full coverage? Simply push the sleeve almost all the way to the top. This packs the synthetic bristles incredibly tight, instantly transforming it into a dense buffing tool. It becomes perfect for stippling liquid foundations, heavy creams, or Laura Geller's famous baked complexion products without leaving a single streak behind. Before we jump into the real-world pros and cons, if you are enjoying this honest, no-nonsense beauty breakdown, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell. We drop weekly deep dives into the absolute best and worst beauty products on the market to help you save your hard-earned money. Drop a comment below right now and let me know, what is your current go-to makeup brush brand? Let us chat down there. Alright, let's look at what everyday users in the beauty community are actually saying after months of testing. On major US retail platforms, this brush holds a massive average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Let us look at the pros first. The most praised feature by women over 40 is that it absolutely does not shed, even after multiple deep washes. Users love how smoothly it glides over mature skin without settling into fine lines, wrinkles, or pores. The convenient travel cap is another favorite because it keeps your purse completely clean and protects the shape of the bristles from bending. But to keep this review completely transparent, let us look at the cons. A few buyers noted a slight synthetic factory odor right out of the box. However, do not let that worry you because a quick, simple wash with mild soap and warm water completely fixes it before your first use. So, what is the final verdict? If you travel frequently, love minimalist beauty routines, or struggle with cakey makeup application, the Laura Geller Retractable Angled Kabuki Brush is a stellar top-tier investment. It simplifies your makeup routine by replacing your foundation, contour, and blush brushes all at once. If you want to check the current price or grab one for yourself, I have placed the official, direct link in the description box below. Click that link right now to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, smash that like button if this helped you, and I will see you in the very next video.